We really happy that this is starting. We're starting a good relationship or a partnership with the national office to the local office, of which I think the community is going to benefit a lot with those activities.
And I'm looking forward to working hard and assisting the community of Wonderfontein with regards to the CVs, employment, training, business training, going to universities, having more opportunities open for them so that they're able to cater for themselves, whether they want to open their own businesses or they want to just work in the environment of the mines, whereby we are still helping them to get into the mines. There are trainings that are currently running right now, and all the colleges that are around, we are able to help them to get into the college. So we are looking forward to helping the community even more.
And as the department, local office, we have a very strong or a good relationship with the center, where we assisted them with a lot of activities, and we support them, monitor them, we also advise and guide in terms of the services that they are rendering to the community.
We young people must open doors for ourselves. It's not only about the department always helping us, but us, we are the ones that must move the car and open doors for us ourselves.